Holy that hurts. In some of our previous videos, we talked about how not only women could sell content on FeetFinder.com, but men could as well. So today I'm going to take the challenge and I'm going to prep my feet. I'm going to probably shave them a little bit, clip up the toenails down, and get them ready for my FeetFinder profile. Hey FeetFinder friends, welcome back to the channel and stick around because today I'm going to be making some premium feet content for my own profile that I'm going to create and get stuff started. That's right, I finally decided to join the bandwagon and I'm going to also list these juicy toes on FeetFinder.com. That's right, I'm going to be putting my feet out there and seeing how that goes. So in this video, I'm going to prep them. I'm going to cut down my toenails. I'm going to shave my feet a little bit, and add a little lotion and get them nice and moisturized, and then take a couple pictures. I'm going to walk you guys through that process, and hopefully we'll be able to post those pictures. For those of you who have seen other videos that I'm in, you guys kind of have the idea that I'm a pretty spontaneous guy and pretty outgoing and not, you know, shy to try the weird and out there. So I thought, what better way to kick off my new venture into selling feet content by making a video about it, because that's what we do. We just document everything. Now, as a guy, I had to kind of think about this of what do I need to do to achieve getting some pretty quality looking feet queued up for this content, and I figured the best way to do that is I needed to get rid of some of the hair on my feet, and I tried waxing, and that was just I mean, no shame to those who can, but I mean, I'm just a little bit of a wuss, so we're gonna go ahead and shave them. So without further ado, let's just dive right into it and head over to the bathroom and get started. So part of what we're gonna do is show how easy it is to do this, getting ready to sell your content with horrendous feet. Alright, first things first, we're gonna clip these. And just like that, we're already off to a better start. Now, we're going to get rid of some of this hair. Most of my foot hair is pretty much right here, ow, and then on the toes themselves. So we're going to use this guy here. I like this just because it's a very easy way to shave. Okay, or just don't focus on it. I like using this because it's a trimmer. It's very easy to, you know, use over the skin, so if you need a recommendation on what kind of razor to use, this is what I'm using. Plus, now, I don't have to use any kind of shaving cream. That is a naked foot. Hobbit foot. Naked foot. I know this one's all like curled up because I was wearing socks. Okay, well you can see I've got some ashy feet going on. So the best thing to do is to add some lotion. Get some moisturizing going on. That's what we're gonna do. So we'll start with the left here. Well, I'm just gonna use some normal, just dry skin, fragrance-free kind of lotion. We'll just work it in. There we go. Oh, look at that. That's looking better. Plus now we got a little shine to it too, so when we do our pictures, the light will kind of be a little bit reflective. Let's get a little bit more of this lotion. Same thing. Go from ashy to nut. And just like that, we have beautiful feet. Beautiful toes. So as you could see, my feet definitely needed that. They were a little bit more hobbit feet than I had expected before really paying attention to them. So now that my feet are prepped, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking some photos. And ideally, you would want to use some natural lighting. Unfortunately, it's pretty cloudy out today. It's just not looking great. So luckily, I do have some studio lights as well as some RGB light rings. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And you know, I also edit photos, so I'm gonna give them a little bit of a little pizzazz to them too, and just really try to make them look just as fancy as possible. So as I said earlier, I did sign up for a seller account on FeetFinder.com, and that's where this content is going to be going. So if you're watching this video and you want to support me, you know where to find it. All right, well, let's go ahead and start taking these photos in 3, 2, 1. Well, now it looks like my photos are online, they're uploaded, I've done all that can be done, and now... No, I'm just kidding. We definitely have to put some work into it. It's not just as simple as that, but the most important thing you can do is have high quality photos, so luckily we got that covered. Because the higher the quality of the photos and the more of them, the better the chances are of actually finding someone to buy them. FeetFinder.com is one of the most legit places that you can actually sell your feet content, and they have proven year after year that security as well as that privacy. And you can see real results too, so I mean, that's always a plus. I cannot stress how important it is to be active on this site though, checking it frequently to make sure that you don't miss an opportunity. You might end up getting a message asking for custom content that you didn't already list, and maybe if you take too long, they're not interested anymore. So super imperative. Be present, be active. See, so I'm already having fun, I'm already making content, I'm already uploading it, and I'm already seeing real results. So it's pretty simple to do, it's pretty simple to get started, and you have the opportunity to do it too. And it's really cool that there's equal opportunity for men and women to do this. Aside from making the feet content though, I do enjoy making these videos, so if you guys have any ideas for other challenges I can do, or other things that you would like to know about my process as a foot content provider, please use the comment section below, let me know what you think. So I think that's gonna about wrap it up. I feel like I've given you guys some pretty good starter tips. I wish you all the success on your feet finding ventures and exploring whatever it is that turns you on safely. I'll see you guys on FeetFinder.com.